business report. First Global Bank, FGB, is now offering a 1% mortgage deposit for all potential mortgagors, as it focuses on innovation and providing tailored mortgage products by leveraging data and research. At present, potential homeowners can choose between two properties, Silversun in Old Harbor and Chester Creek in Portmore, developed by Wicon Limited. Traditionally, the initial deposit required for a mortgage would be between 5% and 10% of the total cost. However, FGB's latest market move aims to help qualified borrowers improve their chances of home ownership with a lower upfront cost. We have your latest market updates from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending September 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Jamaica Highway Limited shares of 19,811,800 units traded, representing 45.25% of market sales volume. Advertising agency One Great Studio Company Limited with 6,862,043 units traded, representing 15.67% of market sales volume. Gaming and Entertainment Group Supreme Ventures Limited shares of 5,624,704 units traded, representing 12.85% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $52.02 million purchased and US $60.99 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.39 per dollar, selling the US at $161.14 and buying the US at $159.75. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.93 per transaction, with selling at $117.66 and buying at $111.73. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.95 in profits, with selling at $216.08 and buying at $212.13. For our credit report tip of the day, is cash tight? Then move. Credit is your weapon. Separate your personal and business credit. Protect your household and fuel your growth. Shop, compare, and negotiate. Never settle for weak terms. Push credit into assets that pay you. Real estate, business, or investments. And consolidate loans/cost redirect savings into wealth. And audit your credit now. So you're going to fix it, raise it, and leverage it. Wealth doesn't wait. You act, you move, you build. Your action today: pull your credit report, circle one opportunity, and execute before next Friday. When you're building something from nothing, moving past resilience, moving beyond financial recovery, if you're feeling behind as a professional woman over the age of 45, take action now. If you're over 45 and inflation has made assets feel out of reach, don't freeze. Move. Audit fast. Write down every dollar you own, owe, and earn. Knowledge is power. Cut hard. Cancel what drains you. Redirect that cash into wealth-building moves. Earn more. Turn skills into income. Consult, coach, create, sell. Cash flow wins. Leverage credit. Strong credit equals access to funding. Use it to acquire assets, not liabilities. Act in 90-day sprints. Pick one financial goal, hit it, repeat. Stop waiting for the right time. Stop comparing yourself to peers. Every decision, move you make builds the momentum for tomorrow. Rebuilding after 45 isn't a dream, it's a decision. Execute now. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.